Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing about Python data types. So in Python there are various categories of data types. So we can see I have listed down all the different categories, and in each of these categories let's see what are the data types available. So when it comes to text type, we have string data type, and similarly, when it comes to numeric type, we have int, float, and also complex data type. I I guess you have idea about string and also integer and float, but you might not be having idea about complex. So complex is a data type, and we already know about complex numbers. They will look something like this: a plus ib, where a is the real part and B is the imaginary part. Okay, so such kind of complex numbers can be stored in this complex data type. And similarly, there is a category of sequence type. In sequence type, we can find data types like list, tuple, and also range. So list is nothing but it is similar to array, and it is not exactly similar. We'll be discussing all those about, like, I'll make a separate video on each of these, like text type, numeric type, sequence type, mapping type. On each of these I will be making separate videos, and I'll be discussing all the available functions on that specific data type. Okay, and uh, for now think of it like it is similar to array. Okay, and tuple is also similar to array, but the thing is, in Python, there is a concept of mutable and immutable. What does mutable means is, let's say we have assigned something to a variable a. After assigning, if you are able to change the values of a, then we call it as mutable. And if we were not able to change, then we call that as immutable. So basically, list and tuple are similar, but the only difference is list is mutable and whereas tuple is immutable. Similarly, in the category of mapping type, there is a data type called as dictionary, that is dict, and this dict have key value pairs basically. So with the key value, you can find out the corresponding value in order of one time. Okay. And similarly, there is a category of set type. In this, you can find two data types. One is the set, and the other is frozen set. Uh, this set is mutable, whereas this frozen set is immutable. And you guys have already have idea about set. Set will not have duplicate elements. It will only have all the elements as unique. So that is about set. And similarly, there is a Boolean type of category. In that, we can find the data type bool. Bool is nothing but we have true and false. These are the bool values. And similarly, there is a binary type category. In that, we can find bytes array, and also memory view. Okay. These are all the data types available in binary type category. So if we see, bytes is nothing but everything can be stored in the form of zeros and ones, and here it is immutable. When it comes to bytes array, it is mutable. Okay, and memory view is something how it those are arranged in memory, that memory we will be able to identify using this data structure. And similarly, there is a final category that is none type. In none type, we can find something called as none values. So whenever the data is missing, we need to signify it with some value. There we can use these none values. Okay. So these are all the different categories, and these are all the data types available in our Python. So in the future coming videos, I'll be making separate video on each of the data types and their corresponding functions related to it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you.